How to convert Pandora music to MP3 files. First, you need to open the TunePad Pandora Music Converter. After that, the inbuilt web player will be activated automatically. Choose a preferred track and click the plus button at the bottom right. Add this song to TunePad's conversion list. Before you start the conversion, please go to the settings. Select MP3 as the output format and choose the highest bit rate and sample rate. When you complete the output settings, just click the Convert button to initiate the download process. The output folder will pop up once the conversion finishes. Click Converted to view your downloads. If you want to find your audio files directly, just click the file icon next to the titles. Don't forget to subscribe if you find it useful.